Antonila Sanubo Cruz RN 1974.
I would like to give an inspirational message to all of you. Hindi ako valedictorian, hindi ako salutatorian, pero ang nangyari, sipag at tiyaga. I would like to dedicate this award to the students of Mansumulong Batch of 1978. Para sa inyo to. Of course, to my wife who belongs to Batch 77, KB. At sa lahat po ng mga naging guru ko sa Mansumulong, my former teachers, thank you very much to all of you. Ito po yung product nyo, si General Cabading. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations, Sir Cabading.